In this video, I show you how to add your warehouse locations to the system and how you can use warehouse. I open POS Admin software. Click on Basic and then choose Warehouse and click Open. You will see that we have already added 5 warehouse locations for you. To add a new warehouse location, click on New in the toolbar. The system number the location automatically, that is the code number, and at name you can enter your warehouse name. I only enter one warehouse, Warehouse Cumwin. At address, I enter the address, Cumwin Street. And then save. And here you will see your warehouse. I am now going to show you where you can use warehouse. I go back and go to Purchase Now. You can use warehouse for orders, purchase order. Click Purchase. And click Purchase Order Open. Click on New in the toolbar. Then you can choose from which warehouse an order will be placed. I choose Warehouse Wanaka and then OK. For date of delivery, enter the date here. At vendor, you will add the supplier name. You then click on the gray box to look up and select your supplier in the system. And then you click on Audit in the toolbar. Read the data briefly and then click OK. We go back to the main menu of POS Admin. You then click on Warehouse and click on Stocks Allocation. Here you can move your goods from one warehouse to another. You click on New, then you will see Shipping Warehouse. Here you select the warehouse where you collect the products to be transferred to the other warehouse. I select Warehouse Paramaribo. Select the warehouse where the product should go at Warehouse 2. Here I select Warehouse Wanaka. And then click OK. Then click on Audit in the toolbar. You may then check and then click OK. And if you click Open in the toolbar, you can view all your stocks allocation list.